When you log in, you'll see different sections in your library, such as reading, listening, writing, and My Stuff. Let's focus on reading. There's no forced curriculum. You just pick a news article that interests you. If the article feels too difficult but you still want to read it, AI can simplify it for you. At first, all the new words are in blue. Click on any word, or even multiple words, to see a translation. If you're not sure about a word, AI can explain it in more detail. And if there's a related grammar guide, you'll see a link right under the word. Just tap to open it. You can also save words for later. These will be underlined in orange and ready for review with flashcards. It usually makes sense to save just one form of the word to learn it properly later. If you know the rest of the words, skip ahead. The app marks blue words as known, turning them white. Over time, fewer words stay blue as your vocabulary grows. Once you finish an article, you can take your learning further. You can listen to the article, chat with AI about it, or review the saved words with flashcards. You now have a bunch of saved and known words. Back in your library, you can use them to filter articles by the percentage of new words, so you always find content that matches your level. And it's not just news. You can also read stories, books, or even upload your own content. The listening section contains videos, songs with lyrics, and audio playlists for listening on the go. The more you read or listen to comprehensible content, the more your brain picks up on patterns naturally. Kids don't learn faster because they're special. They just hear up to 30,000 words a day, in real-life situations, at their level, with clear context. Lingo Champion brings that same immersive experience to adults. Happy learning!